Hey guys, my name is Saint-Felix, and right now you're listening to the sounds of the Neumann TLM102, an entry-level large diaphragm condenser microphone made by Neumann, one of the best microphone making companies in the business. Now the first thing you'll notice when you get this microphone is how small it is. Here I have my Shure SM58, and it just towers over this little guy. And we all know that the Shure is as portable gets. I mean, with it being a gig microphone and all. And there's no denying that the Neumann TLM102 could probably fit in your pocket. And no, you probably shouldn't do that. Now the TLM102 is my daily driver along with the Shure SM58. And that's because it suits all my needs. Now I know that the TLM102 is a bit pricey. But to be honest, it's one of the most natural, smoothest sounding microphones that you could find at this price or lower. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the small intro that I did for this microphone. I just wanted to do something really cool to show off this TLM102 that I have. It's really a great microphone, guys, and if you really do have the budget to get it, I think you should. I think it's one of the best home studio microphones that you could have, and like I said before, it's a very natural or neutral, I don't want to use the word warm because everyone loves to say warm, but smooth sounding microphone, which makes it very, friendly when, mixing or what could I say, mixing or doing voiceovers. Normally you'll want to have your microphone to be as neutral as possible. I say that because a lot of cheap condenser microphones that are in the $100 or even $200 range have this really bright, sound to them, and it makes it unusable in the recording. It's like a very shrill, hurts my teeth kind of ears sound. Yeah, I don't know. When I hear high-pitched sounds, they hurt my teeth. They ring in my teeth. I don't know. That's weird, Stefan. Thank you for sharing that information. But yeah, it's a very unpleasant sound. And when it's time to mix it, at first you go, oh man, this sounds great, because, humans, we are attracted to bright sounds or bright colors or light. So we think it sounds really good. And then when you start mixing it, it sounds, you just hear a bunch of high frequencies and the recording it's just unusable. I don't know if I explained that well enough, but, I say that and I share this information because I am one of the people who have had many, who have gone through many microphones and sold microphones because I just couldn't find that microphone that fit my voice. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love. Is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love to take it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. All right, so that's the sound of the Neumann TLM102. Guys, if you've liked what you've seen and heard, once again, my name is Saint-Felix. I'm an actor, musician, voice actor, and if you'd like to see more reviews like this or other videos of me singing or me doing voiceovers, subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye for now.